Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Habits app. So let's get started. So it is very easy to use an Habits app. You have to follow this easy method. So here we can see the Habit app. So first of all, you will open it. Okay. So here the ad is coming. So I will just off it. So here you have to uh, give the time when you will usually get up. So I will get up at 9 a.m. let us assume. So my day ends at 10 p.m. let us take. Okay, I want to live healthier, and you can just skip it, and they will give you the plan and you have to follow it, and by this way you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.